Hi, my name is Rianna. I'm a student at Northern Michigan University. I'm an industrial maintenance major. I am a summer student here at Eagle Mine for the maintenance department, and I'll show you what I'm doing in the truck wash today. This is the truck wash. So the purpose of the truck wash is that when trucks come through, they have muddy kind of ore particles on their tires and they need to wash it off. So they'll come through here, get it washed off. So then when they go through those doors, that's the non-contact zone. So then they're not tracking anything out. As a summer student here at Eagle Mine, I do a lot of refreshing of things. So today I'm painting the bollards and the safety railings around here. So that'll take a little bit, but it'll look nice and clean after. Well, I hope you learned something about the truck wash today, Eagle Mine, and have a good day.